Hi, I'm Dr. Patricia Mahoney from Circle Veterinary Care, and this is Shoko. And what we wanted to do today is go through a little bit of information on online pharmacies for you. Circle Veterinary Care is starting our online pharmacy, and we want to tell you a little bit about it. Why you can use our online pharmacy instead of other nationwide online pharmacies that you can see, what are the benefits to using us, some of the things about safety and shipping, talking with us about different things and kind of going through a little bit of the process of actually how it works. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you about was safety issues. So there's a few things that go into that anytime we look at ordering medications or anything online. And the first thing is that the manufacturers send the medications directly to us here as a veterinary clinic, and if we put that prescription in for you, they'll actually send them directly to your door. So you know that you're getting 100% of the manufacturer's guarantee. You know that the medications have been handled safely and everything is effective. In addition, if you have questions about a medication when you receive it, we're right here. You can call, you can talk to us, you know that you're getting it from a trusted source, so you have all the information. If your animal has a side effect from that medication, you have somebody that you can talk to and go through all of that. So a few of the things, like I said, that I wanted to do with Shoko here is just talk back and forth as her as a client and a customer, what questions most of you have, and hopefully we'll cover everything here for you.
So I guess first, as a customer, how do your prices compare to other online pharmacies?
Well, what we try to do here is weekly we go through and compare and look at all the nationwide online pharmacies, or as many as we can, and we take an average of that, and that's what the suggested retail price is for us. And so that's what you're going to find our prices are. They should hopefully be very competitive with the other online pharmacies that you're seeing nationwide.
Do I have to pay a lot extra in shipping?
Yeah, what happens with shipping here is that for any orders for prescriptions, for instance, over $40, the shipping is free. If you have the need to have expedited orders, so if you want something next day air or even next day air on Saturday, all those things are options for you. There is an additional charge for that. Food is excluded for routine shipping charges because of the extra weight. So you do need to look for a specific shipping charge associated with foods that you're purchasing depending on the size of the bag.
So if I'm already a client here, do I have to use your online pharmacy?
Yeah, and that's something that you don't actually have to do. It's something that if you're already a client here and you come in and you want to get your medications here just like you've always done, you certainly can. If it's something that we need to special order in for you, so something that we don't have on the shelf, just like we've always done, we can certainly special order it in for you just like we've done in the past, and we can certainly do that again. But this gives us another option. Gives us an option of carrying things that we don't have on the shelf. So if there's something that I think would be better for your animal in their specific situation, then it's something that I can say, okay, we can either special order it in, or we have the online pharmacy option. So we have an option for over 2,000 products that, like I said, I don't necessarily have the ability to carry that all on the shelf. But we've got plenty of options for all the things that you're used to getting. You can still get just like you always have.
That's cool. And they go straight to my house. So.
They'll go straight to your house. And again, it's instead of being sent here, it's just sent directly to you. So there's a few days, you know, that you're looking at, unless you do expedited shipping, but usually you can get most things within 3 or 4 days.
That sounds very convenient. So can you show me how I would set up?
Sure. What we do here is that this is the website. So if you pull this up, it's fullcircleveterinarycare.com, and this is the main home page. And what you're going to do here is you're just going to go to the online pharmacy tab right here at the top and click on that. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring you into this screen. If you're a returning client, so if you had already signed up for this, you would already have your email address and your password, and you would plug them in here and go directly to the pharmacy. But since we're a new client, what you want to do is go down here to New Customer. We're going to click on New Customer, and then this is where you get started. You put in your name, your phone number, and your email address, and you hit send. What happens then is that we actually here at Full Circle get an email saying that you're requesting becoming a member and looking at our online pharmacy, and we send you an email. In that email, it'll welcome you to the store, it'll tell you how to use it, and it'll give you that username and the password that we saw on the last screen. And then, like I said, from here, That's where you plug that in, and you'll be directly onto the pharmacy. Now, we carry foods, like I mentioned, we carry prescription products, but there's also things like shampoos, there's collars, there are leashes, there are all kinds of things that you'll have access to on this pharmacy.
Very cool.
Yeah, the only other thing that I wanted to mention is that if you are out of state, if you're watching this video, if it's something that you're not a client here, certainly you still have access to all of this. The rules and regulations are the same. A current veterinary patient relationship needs to exist between the doctor and the patient. So I need to have seen your animal within 12 months to be able to write a prescription for a prescription medication. But if it's a case where you have a family member or something, they just need to have seen their veterinarian within the last 12 months, have a current prescription. Once we get those prescriptions, then we can honor those prescriptions as well. So either a prescription directly written from one of the doctors here at Full Circle, or a prescription from a current client veterinarian patient relationship that's sent directly to us, and we can honor those prescriptions as well. And so anything that your animal needs, hopefully we can help you out. It's really straightforward. Give it a try. It's really pretty easy. And if you have questions or concerns, certainly let us know at Full Circle Veterinary Care. Thanks for coming.